What's up, party people? AndroidStud here, and today I have the Pocophone F1, and I picked up two dbrand skins from dbrand. Obviously, this is the red dragon, and I also got the black dragon. Now, the black dragon was very popular. I put a post on the community tab on YouTube on my channel, and many of you voted for the black dragon. I like the red dragon, so we're gonna apply the red dragon today. I know you guys like the black dragon, but I'm gonna try the red dragon first. And if you guys don't know about dbrand, they do a lot of different skins for different phones, so you could check them out, dbrand.com. I picked these up for about 12 bucks each on dbrand. Shipping was like $5 for both of them. Got here in about 3 to 5 days in the United States. So, and I have the Pocophone here, I have the blue one, so we're gonna put that red one on there and see how it looks. Just to make it look a little sexier. I also have with me, and I'll probably leave a comment down below because I'm not gonna put this case on right away. I'm gonna wait until the skin is on there for a couple days, and I recommend the same. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this. Let's get into it. All right, so I got the Pocophone here all set up here on my Ringke case. I suggest that you put it like on a surface that's not your desk or anything like that. And then what you're gonna do, they give you a nice little cloth here at dbrand. You go ahead and just wipe it down. I mean, you can wipe it down with like an alcohol swab if you want, but I don't really think it's necessary. You wipe that down, you wipe your lens down, you wipe everything down real good. And then you're gonna grab your skin here. Now, you can apply this with a blow dryer. I really don't do it because it's just one piece. It's pretty simple. And all I really do here is just pull this off here like so. And then I put the bottom portion here on the thing they send the dbrand here, this little plastic here. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna line up. Sorry, no heavy breathing allowed. You kind of just want to line it up right there, like so. You're gonna fit down all the areas on the top, around the camera lens. Make sure that's all good. And then you're gonna pull off this part here, take that out, and then just put that over the back end, and then just do your sides here real good, and this side here, and then the bottom. It's pretty easy. This is a pretty easy phone to put a skin on because it's one big piece like that. Put that on there, make sure that's all good. And then, like I said, if you want to do the blow dryer thing, you can, but this has pretty good adhesive. I don't really think it needs it, but there you go. You got the red dragon on your Pocophone ready to go for the exclusive right there from dbrand. So you got it right here on AndroidStud, the installation of the dbrand red dragon skin. Also have the black dragon here. But shout out to dbrands for these skins. These are really, really nice. I think they came out really, really nice. So yeah, that is it. That is the dbrand red dragon right there. Let's put it up here front and center, show it off a little bit. And as you can see, it's a beauty. I like it. I like the way it looks with the blue. Now, like I said, I'm gonna try to put it in the case, but I'm gonna do that later on. I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna let this sit for a couple days and see how it looks. But yeah, man, that is the red dragon from dbrand. Easy installation, like I said. Took like a couple minutes only. Didn't take long at all. But you guys can follow me on Twitter, also on Instagram at AndroidStud. Please leave a comment down below. Like this video, be part of the party, people. Right here on AndroidStud, and I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much. Peace.